Today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel. You can find a link below to join us on Discord. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 145 different strategies, with 51 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 86% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex strategy with the Z-score probability indicator. Now, we have also tested a total of 994 indicators, with 419 of them being winners. And keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. The source video says, ride the market waves, perfect entries every time. And so of course we are going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy. So we'll go ahead and hide these two indicators. The first indicator you will add to the screen is going to be this one right here, the L1 John Anderson standard error bands. And it's going to look kind of similar to this right here. We'll actually go into the settings and make a few changes. So under the inputs, you're going to change the price to OHLC4. The length you're going to change to 27, and the SDIG you're going to change to 5. And under style, this is up to you, but this is how I put it on screen. Just makes it a little bit easier. You're going to turn off the linear regression S, and you're going to turn off the plots background. And then you can go in and you can bump up the opacity of these lines, or I'm sorry, the weight of these two lines if you want. It's up to you, but that'll look like this right here. And then the next indicator you're going to add to the screen is going to be the trend strength over time. You'll check that one right there, and it will look similar to this right here. Again, we'll go into the settings, and in this case, we're only going to change a few visual aspects. Since I'm on a light background, change this from white to black on the volume strength. Then I'm going to go in and bump up the line weight of the color 0 and the color 1. And that will show what you see here on screen now. So what we're looking for is the John Anderson to give us buy and sell signals. And when we get a buy signal, we're going to look down to the trend strength over time, and we want that to also be green. If the trend strength is green and we get a buy signal, that's going to be a signal to then enter a long position. We enter right here. We're going to set our stop right at the lower band of the Anderson indicator, and we're going to target a 1 to 2 risk reward right like this. Let's go ahead and play this forward. And you can see that we make a really nice move, pretty much straight up, getting us to our take profit right there. For a sell trade, we are looking for the John Anderson to give us a sell signal like this right here. We're then going to look down to the trend strength, and we're looking for it to be in the red color like it is there. Once we get all those that meet up, that's going to be a short entry right there. We're going to set our stop at the upper band this time and target the same to 1 to 2 risk reward. Not sure if I said that in the last one. So 1 to 2 risk reward is what we're targeting. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get out of it. And you see that we make this nice push again, pretty much straight down, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 18 winning trades and 32 losing trades, putting us at a 36% win rate. So with the 1 to 2 risk reward on the winning side, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, you would have gained $10,800. On the losing side, though, you would have lost $9,600 for a total gain of $1,200. That's not horrible, I guess I would say, for a 5-minute scalping strategy, but over 50 trades, that's a lot of up and down to get you really not very far at all. So compare that to the Academy of Forex strategy, which I've mentioned a few times before already in this video. We did 44 trades within the same period of time. We had 38 winning trades and 6 losing trades, putting us at an 86% win rate. So on the winning side, if you're looking to gain that same $600, you would have gained $22,800. On the losing side, you would have lost $4,680 for a total gain of $18,150. Now, of course, if that sounds outlandish, I mean, cut that down into half, cut that down into a fourth, it's still extremely profitable and very efficient, far more so than this strategy alone, this particular strategy here. And so if you're interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you have to maintain your Patreon status as well. And so it's really cheap for a super efficient, very profitable trading indicator. And so let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals here. And so this is the signals from the Academy of Forex strategy, which I've mentioned. Each week we track the signals from these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. And so again, this time of the year is very indecisive, a lot of choppy markets, things whipsawing back and forth. So hopefully we'll get back to a normal market here soon. But even with that, this week we did 11 trades. We had 6 winning trades and 5 losing trades, putting it at a 54% win rate. So we had just a slight drawdown of $300 for the week on the Forex pairs. Now with the crypto coin, we had 2 trades, 2 winning trades, putting us at a 100% win rate and a gain of $1,200. And so for the week, we would have been up $900 altogether. 5 weeks in a row, we would have been at a profit of $14,080. And so even with excluding the crypto coin, we would have only been down $300 on the week. And so we would have still been at a decent profit over the last 5 weeks. I'm not sure if I said 5 weeks. Maybe I said 4. Nonetheless, over the 5 weeks, we would have still been very profitable. The name of the game is to have better winning weeks than you have on the losing side. And so keep your losing weeks very small, which we have, and keep your winning weeks as profitable as you can, which we do. And so that's the reality of trading. You're always going to have some good weeks and some bad weeks. And so, all right, that's it for this one. So this one, we will go ahead and put this one on the yes list, even though it wasn't horribly profitable. And we will move on to the next video from here.